Hello, you beautiful people again. I am Osas Igadaro, your Miss Black USA 2010, and I have the pleasure of sitting here in VIP Smiles next to the glorious Dr. Catrise Austin. How are you?
I am great. It's such a pleasure to have you here.
Oh no, the pleasure is all mine.
You're at VIP Smiles, and you are a VIP. I mean, you're Miss Black USA. Come on.
Yes.
Oh my God, this is great, and you have such a beautiful smile.
Thank you so much. I mean, I know that you're going to make it a whole lot more beautiful after I'm done with my session here, but tell me a little bit about VIP Smiles and the importance of dental hygiene, because this month, October, is Dental Hygiene Month. So I hope you guys are all seeing your dentist, and if you're in the New York area,
you gotta see me, Dr.
Yeah.
Austin.
Oh yeah.
Well, you know, your smile, I believe, and you may attest to this, is one of the first things that people will notice about you. And I'm sure when you're out on the road and you're going state to state, you may find that people are looking at your smile and your overall beauty. But you know, you could have your hair done and your nails and have on a beautiful outfit. But if that smile is not together, you can't close the deal. You can't close the deal in trying to get a job. You can't close the deal on finding that mate. I mean, people want someone whose health is in order and whose smile is beautiful and who's beautiful inside and out. And what I tell people is, your smile has a lot to do with your confidence. Don't you find when you're smiling, you're out on the road,
most certainly,
that it just gives you that sense of confidence?
It always does, most certainly. When I smile, it just brings so many people towards me. And it's the craziest thing, but it makes so much sense. Your smile is certainly like the gateway to who you are.
It is.
Yeah.
I mean, I got into dentistry because I didn't like my smile growing up. So I wore braces when I was a teenager, and it literally changed my life. I mean, I felt like a pageant winner. I felt like Miss USA, Miss Black USA.
Miss Black USA.
So it's my mission to get everybody to feel comfortable with their smiles. You guys out there may be afraid to go to the dentist. Dentistry has changed. You can meet a nice dentist like myself who will treat you with dignity and respect and not just a number, and give you the care that you deserve. And I know times are rough. You know, people are really struggling out there, and healthcare can be expensive, but you know, we offer discounts all the time. Exactly for Dental Hygiene Month, we're doing cleanings, exams, and x-rays for only $59.
Oh wow.
I mean, who can't afford that? So we're making it easy, and there's discount plans out there that your dentist may offer. There's a way that you can get it done. There's dental schools. So I'm encouraging people this month to go out to the dentist and get that checkup and make sure everything is okay, because gum disease is a silent disease. You don't always know that you have gum disease and cavities until you go in to get those checkups and those x-rays done. So it's very important.
Certainly important.
And you are making a great example by coming here today, because in a few minutes we're going to go back there and take care of Miss Black USA.
I'm excited to come to the dentist at that, right? Could you tell us a little bit about your book, 5 Steps to the Hollywood A-List Smile?
Yes, this is my baby. I wrote it for you guys out there, consumers who just have no idea, because unfortunately the media doesn't talk about dental health as much as medical health.
They should, right?
Yeah, so I wanted to write something. The book came out late last year, and I wrote it for consumers to have a starting point. I go over assessing your smile to see if there's something that you feel that you may want to change. And then we go over the benefits of having a beautiful smile that we just talked about. I talk about where to start. How do you find a dentist? Going to your friends and your family members to get referrals, to how to go online and find the proper dentist, and I go over all those things. And then you got to know what's out there. I mean, we have so many procedures that can help your smile. There's teeth whitening. We have the Snap-on Smile.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's a new procedure. Invisalign, the clear braces, bonding, and even little things things like recontouring your teeth. If you have a little tiny chip and you want to smooth it out,
Right.
very, very easy. And also changing those old, ugly silver fillings to white.
Right.
Those are some of the popular procedures that I go over in the book, and I tell you if insurance covers it and the pros and the cons. And I actually have pictures of me doing the procedures so you can see what would happen to you if you got those procedures done in the office.
Oh,
and then at the end, I tell you how to take care of your teeth. What toothbrushes to use, how to brush, how to floss, and all the things that you'll need to get your smile going and keeping it for a lifetime. Because you don't have to lose your teeth. You can have your smile for a lifetime.
I love that.
Yes.
Having a beautiful smile for a lifetime. I love that tagline.
Yes.
Yeah, you gotta use it. I am Osasi Gadaro, Miss Black USA 2010, and I would have to say what makes a beautiful smile to me is having one inside and out, like you said earlier. Making sure and being up to par with your hygiene and your health, because your teeth is certainly have to do with your health, whether you believe it or not. And just making sure that you brush every day, you floss every day. It's extremely important, and I am proud that you are one of the official dentist for the Miss Black USA organization.
Well, get used to it, because I'm not going anywhere.
All right, I know that's right.
I am going to really treat you guys well.
Oh,
and
that's beautiful.
for the next pageant next year, I'm going to come to the pageant and whiten everybody's teeth and make sure that when you guys are, the next contestants are on stage, that they have the best smile possible, and I'm excited.
That's exciting.
Yes, yes.
I love it.
So, you ready to get started?
Am I ready to get started?
Yes.
Guys? Of course I am. Let's get started, guys. See you guys in a bit.
Bye.